Hello there, and welcome to this Blender tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to make a British World War II helmet. So first, delete the standard cube, click Add, Mesh, UV Sphere. Then what you do is you go hit Tab to go into edit mode, Z, wireframe, then click 1, and then delete half of the vertices. Let's see, there we go. Delete vertices. Now what you want to do is you want to go back into 1 on your numpad, and then hit scale, S to scale, and then scale it to your liking, and then Z, solid, and then object mode, and then shade smooth. Now I'm gonna real quick do a material. If you want to texture it, you can. I'm just gonna real quick do a material that looks nice. There we go. Alright, that is the end of the tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.